Hi everyone, it's Joe, and I have a little flip through to do today with a recipe book that I have made. And I really like making recipe books. I just think that they're so functional and so much fun for the family. I made them for all of my children and put family recipes in them. I also, in doing that, there were a lot of recipes that were written by their grandmas and such that it was in their original handwriting. So I went ahead and scanned and copied those and put those in there so that they would have them as mementos. All right, let's get started. So let's go for the cover first. And this has been Mod Podged on, and then just some backing for this here. And this is a 3D embellishment on the front. Our first page is the back of the cover. This is from an old cookbook that I had, and it was just one of those little paper ones. I think it came with Pillsbury something at one time. Anyways, I went ahead and put that on the inside cover. Then we have a lot of pockets in here and lots of cards in here. So I thought that was kind of a pretty one. There, that's better. All right, so some of this paper is graphic 45. Some of it was one that I've used for quite a while, and I can't remember what the name of it is. If I find it, I will put it down in the description box. So, all right, another one. This is graphic 45 here. Each one is a little bit different, so that you can put your own recipes on them. All right. Just a little bit of a embellishment here on the pocket. Another large pocket and another recipe card. And this I cut out with the Cricut. And this is kind of like, oh, I don't know, a divider card or something. And this just slides right back in there. There, like an index card, I guess. This page here, I'll get it so you can see it. It's metallic, and I did this on a piece of paper that looked like metal, and I also went ahead and inked it afterwards, so it looks like chicken wire. And we have another page from the book. This has got in it, what's it got? Chuck Wagon Roundup. Okay. Oh, it's made with wieners and barbecued beans. Sounds good. This is also from there, and this is called Fun Fondue. Another page with a pocket for your recipe. And we have another one. And we've got this one here. This embellishment is a little plastic embellishment, and I went ahead and colored it so that you could see it better for the jar. Okay. So all these cards are pretty much different, and I tried to make them so that you could, you know, get your recipes written on there. Once you make and put a recipe on a card, you can always copy it and scan it, and then you don't have to rewrite it all the time. All right, get up there, chickens. There. Okay, we've got another page here for the pocket. Another one like with the index card. And another one. And, whoops, there we go. And we'll stick that back in there. This is also from the book, and it's got meat and poultry. I'm going to check back here on one of these because I thought it was pretty interesting. This particular one from the book talks about cooking timetable for vegetables. So I thought that was pretty interesting. Also, if you want to dry out vegetables, it tells you what the drying time is and the cook time. And of course that's off of some cornstarch. Another fun card. Recipe cards, all of them. Another pocket here. There's also plenty of places to write in the book if you want to. This is, let me see if I can do it. Okay. This is actually a little bag, little flower type bag. Tuck some stuff in there. Okay. Again, this is from the book. This is for pineapple stick pops, whatever that may be. Okay. And I also put in this clear plastic. It's got room for 4 recipe cards. It's actually for pictures, and what I did is I cut it down so that it would fit in here. And here's the back cover. I think these books that I used the pages here, I think it was a promotion many years ago by Pillsbury, and because it was just a paperback type of thing. So there we go. So that is our recipe book. I hope that you've enjoyed this, and if you're new to my channel, look down on that right hand corner and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.